Here you can see I have a big data set. I just want to write the roll number here and I want to see the name and the pass or fail. If I write here 2002, you will see the name is Oliver and the pass or fail. And if I write here 2004, you will see the name and the pass or fail. Here is a big data set. I just want to input the roll number and just want to see the name and the comment, actually the pass or fail. So what I actually have to do, I will use the amazing Vlookup function. Before starting the video, if you are a new viewer to our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share this video. Here I can write the name, the roll, pass, fail. Here go to borders, click on all borders. Let me input equal, right here Vlookup. Here I can easily select on Vlookup. You can see the lookup value, the table array and the column index number and the range lookup. So lookup value, what is my lookup value? I can easily select this cell, the roll number will be my lookup value. Actually I will input the roll number and the roll number is my lookup value. And the table array where my data is located, actually the full table. So I can easily select the full table over here and input the comma and the most important things, the column index number. What is column index number? Here in my table, this is column A, column B, column C, column D and column E. If I count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to see the comment, actually the pass and fail, this is the 5. So the column index number is 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me input the comma and here false for the exact match. And let me close the bracket and hit enter. Now if I input here the roll number 2001, you will see the comment pass. And what will happen? The name. Again I have to input the another Vlookup function over here. Write down equal, click on Vlookup, the lookup value, my roll is my lookup value and my table array, actually my full table will be my table array. And the column index number, here important thing, column index number, I want to watch the name, so 122 will be my column index number and false for exact match. Let me close the bracket and click on enter. Here you will see the name. So here I can write 2002. You will see name is Oliver and the comment is fail. Actually if I want to make the red sign, what I have to do, I click on this cell, go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rule, click on text that contain. If I write here fail, and here you can go to custom format and select this color, click on OK, click on OK. Now if you write 2001, you will see the name is Noah and the comment is pass. If you write here 2002, you will see the name Oliver and the comment is fail, you will see from here. So if I have a big data set and I want to search my data easily by writing a roll number or name, I can easily use the Vlookup function. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like our video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.